Welcome class 5 in your science class, and we will start the new chapter rocks and minerals. I have introduced you the chapter in my last video that our earth is made up of soil and rocks. Rocks are actually found everywhere. The mountains, the platforms, the plateau, everywhere we can see the rocks. Even in the sea and the ground of the sea, all rocks of the earth are made up of minerals. So when we want to get some minerals or the metals, we have to extract out these minerals and the metals from the rock, because these all are present in the rocks. Some rocks contain only one mineral, while others some contain so many minerals. But before that, to know about the minerals, at first we will discuss about the rocks. So how many types of rocks are there? There are three kinds of rock. We can identify, we can categorize the rocks into three parts. Okay, so the first type of rocks are called the igneous rock. First one is the igneous rock. Second one is the sedimentary rock. Sedimentary rock. And the third one is the metamorphic rock. Third one is the metamorphic rock. So these three types of rocks we will come to know how they are being formed in the earth crust. Before to know the how these different types of rocks are being made inside the earth, we should know that there are three layers in the earth. If we watch the earth, so there is a first layer or upper side of the earth is a crust part. Surface of the earth or the crust part is there. In between, inside, innermost layer is the core layer. And in between the core and the crust, there are melted rocks and minerals are just moving around inside the earth. That is called the melton. Okay. So now we will come to know how these rocks are being formed. First one is the igneous rock. So at first we will talk about the igneous rock. Igneous rock, the center of the earth is a hot molten rock called the magma. So we know in between this, so this is the crust and this is the rocky layer, or you can say the soil. How the soils are formed? In my last video I have discussed with you, the soils are formed due to the breakdown of the rock changes into the pebbles, and pebble then changes into the powdery substances called the soil. So 100 years take to make a 5 centimeter, or you can say not 5 centimeter, actually 5 millimeter layer of the soil. So it takes too much time. Okay, now how the igneous rock formed? The center of the earth is actually molten rocks and minerals are there, and this rocks and molten rocks and mineral is called magma. So in the mantle portion, whatever is present, that is molten rock, plus minerals, heat is present. So it is molten. Why it is molten? Rocks are in a molten state because there is too much heat inside the earth, or you can say inside the crust there is a too much heat. That's why it comes out in the form of volcanic eruption. Okay, so the rock within that, it is a molten rock, minerals and the heat, or you can say they just when the volcanic eruption. So when these, due to some reason, when this area or the crust area is broken down, so these minerals, these rocks and this heat is come out due to this broken part of the crust, and this whatever it forms a volcano, or you can say the volcanic eruption comes. So this is a volcano. How the volcano forms? When anywhere in the crust is being weak and they are being broken down, so the all the molten part along with the rock and minerals and the heat, they comes out along with some of the gases. So this is which are coming out, so that is the magma. So the magma flows out of the surface of this volcano. So when it is coming out, it is magma. And when this magma comes out on the earth's surface and cool on the surface of the earth, when the magma comes out and it is spreaded on the surface or the crust portion of the earth and it becomes cooled down, that time it is called lava. Okay, so when it is coming out in a molten form, when the metal and all type of gases are coming out in a hot form, when they are coming out, oozing out from the volcano, that time it is called the magma. But once when it comes on the surface of the earth, it cools down and it just makes a layer of, or the hard layer on the earth's surface or the crust of the earth, that time it is called lava. Okay. So now the surface is called the lava. Then the magma that reaches the surface of the earth is called lava. Lava cools down and solidifies to form the hard rocks. So this type of rocks which are coming in a form of magma and then on the surface of the earth it becomes cools down to form the hard rock. This rock is called the lava. When it becomes solidified, it calls the lava. And this type of rocks, there are different types of rocks are formed due to this type of process. And due to the solidification of the lava, these type of rocks are called the igneous rock. Okay, and the type of igneous rocks are basalt is there, and granite is there, pumice is there, and obsidian is there. So there are different kinds of igneous rock. We will study in our next class. So that's all for today, and all the types we will discuss in our next class. Okay, till that, bye. Have a nice day.